You could create professional, engaging product videos with a virtual AI presenter, one that looks and sounds just like a real person, and they're holding your product. Well, user-generated content videos, UGCs, have met their match. No more endless hours of editing, finding the right actor or the right voiceover artist. It is the future of content creation and marketing. And that future is TopView's latest AI Product Avatar feature. These are AI generated. You get studio quality videos and it's super easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to create product marketing videos using TopView's latest product avatar feature. So let's roll. TopView AI is here to shake up the marketing game of user-generated content. It's gonna save you time and money. So let's get started. Start by clicking the link below and it'll take you directly to the TopView AI website. Oh, and I don't want to ruin the surprise, but there's a little discount waiting for you. Log in to your TopView AI account and get started for free. You'll get 10 credits to get started right away. Click on the avatar button and pick the gesture that best suits your product. Now you can try this with a soccer ball, a perfume bottle, a lipstick. Really, it conforms to any size or shape. I'm gonna try a perfume bottle today. Just replace the placeholder with your product image, and even if your product image has a background, the AI will detect that and remove that for you. Holy, this is magic. Now, this is the fun part. This is where the AI merges your product shot with the avatar and makes it look flawless and seamless. You'll get 3 AI image generations to choose from. Once you've made your selection, you can decide to go light mode or pro mode. Light mode is a little bit faster, with pro mode being just a tad slower. You're gonna then see the avatar holding your product with a generic script. If you're happy with this, click Save Avatar and use my script.
Adding a custom script is super simple. You can either choose to import your own audio or provide your own script and have the AI generate the audio for you. There is a selection of different voices to choose from. TopView does a great job providing you lots of options so you can find the right match for your avatar.
Pro tip, to get the best effect, keep your sentences in your script short and super punchy.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionized.
Welcome to TopView.ai.
Welcome to TopView.ai.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI.
Once you've added your script and selected your voice, click confirm. When you're happy with the result, give your video a title, click the right settings, and then export. Your video is ready to use.
I tried this perfume and I'm officially hooked. It's like walking into a dream. Warm, fresh, and absolutely irresistible. One spritz and I felt instantly put together.
I've tested this out with a couple of different products.
I just found the perfect lipstick and I have to share this with you. The shade is absolutely stunning and the formula feels like butter on my lips, super hydrating but never sticky. Plus, it lasts all day without smudging or drying out my lips.
I just found the perfect running shoes and I have to share this with you. They're insanely comfortable, super lightweight, and give the perfect balance of support and cushioning.
I just found the perfect soccer ball, and I have to share this with you. Whether it's a casual kick around or a competitive match, this ball delivers consistency and accuracy every time.
All types of different shapes and sizes, and it does a great job of merging the avatar and the product. Within minutes, you've got a UGC video ready to use. It's easy on the wallet. No more setting up a photo shoot because TopView can save you all of that time, effort, and money. The beauty of this tool is that it's fully customizable and it works with products of any shape and any size. This piece is totally on point. Chef's kiss. And let's say you're selling to a global audience. Well, not to worry, because TopView has you covered with a number of supported languages.
Je suis l'avatar numérique TopView. Je peux tenir votre produit avec juste une image. Soy el avatar digital TopView. Puedo sostener tu producto con solo una imagen.
So you can get started with TopView right away. You can use it for free and you get 10 credits every month. But if you want to level up your game, For under $10, you can get 600 credits and no watermark on your videos. I'll include all of the other plans here. But if you click the link below, you can get started right away with an exclusive discount. A little surprise just for you. With TopView AI, you can create content that connects, converts, and captivates in just a few clicks. So click on the link below and let's get started. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and taking a look at how TopView AI is shaking up the marketing and content generation world. If you're interested in more content about AI tools and how they could help us work smarter, not harder, then please subscribe and hit that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. May the power of AI
Be with